Observation Minute by Gylliayn and B.A.B.E. Love Train. Red is the color of love. When they made these seats, did they purposely choose the color red? Were you to sit down and look into the eyes of your soulmate? Who will walk through these doors when it stops at Grand Central Station? Do I look okay? Should I sit up? How is my hair? Next stop, Grand Central Station. Today I invite you to be your own love train. Observe yourself. Be prepared for any given moment. You could walk into your soulmate. Your opportunity is there waiting. Be prepared. Trust, truth, and time.